Hello students, I am taking problem number 7 of exercise 13.4, probability distribution of random variable. A coin is biased. See this part. Biased means the probability of head will not be 1 by 2 and the probability of tail will not be 1 by 2. It is biased coin. So that the head is 3 times as likely to occur as the tail. So here, what is the probability of head? It is 3 by 4, 3 times. And what will be the probability of tail now? Definitely it is 1 by 4. So out of 4, if we say 4 outcomes, then 3 times it will be head and 1 time it will be tail. Whereas in the case of unbiased coin, it was 1 by 2 and 1 by 2. Okay. So this is a faulty type of coin. If the coin is tossed twice, find the probability distribution of number of tails. Now you see the number of tails can be 0, 1 and it can be 2. So it is Px. See, it is 0 tail. 0 tail means both the time it will be head only. So the answer is 3 by 4 into 3 by 4. So answer is 9 by 16, the first part. Second part is 1 tail. 1 tail means it can be head and tail or it can be tail and head. So it is 3 by 16 and 3 by 16. So it is 6 by 16. And the last one is both the time it is tail. So 1 by 4 into 1 by 4. So answer is 1 by 16. So what is the answer here? 9 by 16, 6 by 16 and 1 by 16. And if you see the total, then the total is 1. So it is again a random variable and it is the probability distribution of the random variable. Here, this is the problem which is the problem based on a biased coin. Generally, the coin, the probability of head is 1 by 2 and the tail is 1 by 2, but here it is different. Yes, the last type of sum of the probability, a random variable x has the following probability distribution. The value of x is 0 से लेके 7 and these are their probabilities. And it is told here that find the value of x. And you all know that because x is a random variable, so this total will be 1. That is 0 plus k plus 2k plus 2k plus 3k plus k square plus 2k square plus 7k square plus k equals to 1. So first we take k square, that is 10k square. Now 5, 8, 9 plus 9k equals to 1. So we have to find the value of k. It is a quadratic equation. So you see now 10k square plus 9k minus 1 equals to 0. When you factorize 10k square plus 10k minus k, 1k, if you take 10 common, then it is k plus 1, and if you take minus 1 common, it is k plus 1. So the factors are k plus 1 and 10k minus 1. So what is the value of k? It is minus 1, which is not possible, and the second is 10k minus 1 equals to 0, so k is 1 by 10. So the first part is find the value of k. So the answer is 1 by 10. Here, if this problem is little bigger, it can be 2, 3, then also this plus this equals to 1. That logic will be used here. So the first answer is find the value of k. So the answer is 1 by 10. Now, the second part. The second part is the probability of x which is less than 3. Now, see the second part. Less than 3. Less than 3 means it is, second part is Px is less than 3. It means P0 plus P1 plus P2. Now what is P0? It is 0 plus k plus 2k. So answer is 3k. So answer is 3 into 1 by 10 because the value of k is 1 by 10. So what is the second answer? The second answer is 3 by 10. You see the third part now. Third part is px greater than 6. It means what? P7. Yes? P7 means it is 7k square plus k. So it is 7 into k square is 1 by 100 and k is 1 by 10. Please see this part. I hope it is clear to you. So when you take the LCM of 7 by 100 and 1 by 10, the LCM is 100. So 7 plus 10. So answer is 17 by 100. I hope it is clear. So the third part answer is 17 by 100. Greater than, x is greater than 6. So only one variable is there. The fourth part is the probability of x which is greater than 0 and smaller than 3. It means it is P1 and P2. What is P1? It is k. What is P2? It is 2k. So answer is 3k. 3k means 3 into 1 by 10. So last part the answer is 3 by 10. So in this way we can find, and dear student, this is one of the important sum for the board examination purpose. It can be up to this only. This part will not be there. 1, 2, 3 or 1, 2, 3, 4 or any other value for k, or it can be p or any a. So this particular sum is very important from the examination point of view from exercise 13.4. I suggest you that please prepare. Sum number 9 is also like this only. 9 and 10, both the sums are similar. I am leaving sum number 9 for you. Yes, there also the same thing is there. There also it is 0, 1, 2 and it is k, 2k, 3k, and otherwise it is 0. So please try that particular sum also and prepare this chapter very nicely. The probability is very simple this time because after sum number 10, means after sum number 9, 10 onwards, these problems are not in our syllabus from exercise 13.4. Please note this now. And 13.5 exercise binomial distribution, that is also removed from the syllabus of the board examination 2021. Thank you. And please prepare this part very nicely. This is one of the important part from examination point of view.